Hello, it's Retreat Briefing for Tuesday, February 13, and today's topic is Bitcoin reached 50k and how far will it go, and what's the whale's mind? Now, Bitcoin and other major coins, even altcoins, are having a continuing rise since its bull market, and our Goya dominance 1 point dropped slightly, but still showing a good mood. But we still need to question ourselves. Will this bull market keep going on or stop in order to save our money? So let's start. This is an image of dominance around 12 p.m. and you can see here the Bitcoin's dominance is occupying a lot of portion in the market, and Ethereum and altcoins, this is Ethereum, and altcoins dominance is having a slight drop, and the Tether dominance is slightly rising, and this seems like they are taking profits with Ethereum and altcoins. And if this atmosphere continues, altcoin owners seems it's better to sell. And this is our Goya dominance chart from Feb 1 p.m. to 12 p.m. today. It's our Goya dominance chart, and you can see here starting from midnight, you can see it's getting higher from then, and now we are at 47.10 at 12 p.m. So as you can see, the chart is decreasing slightly from here, so we can expect a dip in price. And this is a liquidation heat map for last 24 hours. As you can see, there are many short positions got liquidated since the chart is all red all over it. So this means that it risen more than many traders' expectation, and it seems like Bitcoin's trending upward will continue. So many futures traders might have a difficult time, and the amount of liquidation for last 24 hours is almost twice from normal days. So I think spot trading will be much safer instead of futures trading. So you can see $188.57 million were liquidated. And this is a liquidation heat map for last 4 hours. And just like the 24 hours heat map, many coins were rising in last 4 hours, and some altcoins seems like they are having a big wave movement up and down. So I would prefer to trade coins with high trading volume in times like now. Yeah, this is 4 hour. And there are many good news for crypto market recently. So stock market seems harsh, but all kinds of bad news to economy could be a good news in crypto. So there are positive news such as altcoins might have more bullish market, and Bitcoin has also a possibility to go up more. Yeah, and whales moved. Bitcoin entered a new era, 50k, even past 50k. So many experts are watching 52k as a resist line, so you guys need to watch carefully. And this is a Bitcoin's liquidation heat map, and long position assets are stacking down here. And you can also see short position assets are gathering up near 51k. So I'm quite curious where the whales might choose, and simply looking at the positions in the chart, I think they will pop the price up and then drop after that. So you guys need to watch. This is a liquidation heat map for Ethereum, and it seems nice too, since and showing a very similar look with Bitcoin. But Ethereum also seems like they are long positions assets stacking down there. So I don't know when, but it might have a decline. So I think it is better to take profit by distributing your Ethereum. But from end of last year, I'm keep telling you that there are no problems no problems with breaking through $3,000 this year, the Ethereum's price. So it would be nice to buy some when it seems the price is at the low point. So this is a RSI heat map for 4 hours, and this is a heat map for our last briefing, February 7, and you can see a big difference just by looking in a glance. A lot of coins moved into red line this place. You can see it just dragged all the way up to here. So it also seems like it might rise, the price might rise more, but there are always a possibility to have a sudden big drop when entering this 70, 80 RSI points. So I suggest you guys to just satisfy with small profits by preparing a big drop. So let's talk about more specific by looking at our Goya Premium chart. So this is our dominance chart at 4 p.m. I told you at the presentation it was made at 12 p.m. So it was around 46, 47, and price dropped till 32 or something, and it started to rise again. It's now 51.9. So let's look at Bitcoin. You can see after February 7, the briefing, till 8, 9, 10, the price was just keep increasing. And final, when was it? It's February 12, 23 p.m. You can see we had an L2, an L signal, but we just had an S2, and there's also SB and LB here. So these signals were just plus minus 0, and we have L signal left, and the price is moving in this box place. It's very thin box, but it's still moving over our Goya line, and the slope is not that stiff, so I think we can't expect a big sudden rise from it, but we cannot expect a big decrease. So it's quite a nice looking chart from here. So we gotta see whether if it meets the Goya line and breaks through down, or gets supported by the Goya line and goes up. And if it goes up, as the experts said, this 52k might be a resisting line. So if it breaks over here, I think it's very difficult, but that might be a big issue. So think this is a ceiling, the 52k, and watch the price going. So this is our suggested sell and buy prices guideline. This line is today 2 a.m.'s highest point. So if the price reaches to 50,000 and 4,200 and $428, I suggest you to just sell it, because the market seems to move in sideways from now. So if we don't have any big issues, the price might just move in the box. So when it reaches somewhere point here, you can sell it, but I'm just suggesting. So, and if it breaks through the Goya line and comes all the way down, this 47k might be a good place for you to buy some and wait. These prices are optional, it's so low. So yeah, I think the important thing about Bitcoin is think 52k as a ceiling and watch the price go. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum seems similar to the Bitcoin, and yesterday 23 p.m. also got a big L2, and this SB and LB just plus minus 0, and got a big rise all the way up to, let's see, how much was it? This is 23. Yeah, we had an 8% increase all the way up here, but after, with a minus candlestick, 2 big minus candlestick, we got an S signal and started to move all the way to the side. So just same as Bitcoin, this Goya line will move something like this, and if the candlestick meets the Goya line and if it's supported, the price will rise more. But if it breaks through under the Goya line, the price might drop. This is a sell and buy guideline, just as same as Bitcoin. I suggest you to sell at the price at today's highest point, and this $22,470 might be a good place for you to buy if it drops. These are two low points, but since the dominance has risen again, so the price might go up again, but I'm not pretty sure about it. So yeah, I think it's difficult to just drop significantly in today. So let's look Ripple. All the charts look quite similar, but Ripple had a big dip over here, different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Had a big decrease all over here, and where is it? It's all the same. Yesterday 23 p.m. almost at midnight, started to have a big increase, just breaking through the Goya line, and went down all the way to the Goya line here. So it's meeting somewhere here, and you can see it's supported by the Goya line, but we have an S signal right now. Since the candlestick is upward, we have to wait and see whether it will be keep supported or just fail and break through down. This place, today's the highest point, might be a first place for you to sell. I don't know where this come from, but this 53990, this place might be a good place for you to sell if it keep increases. And this place is today's lowest, not today, yesterday's lowest point. It might be a good place for you to buy more. But yeah, Ripple is playing over 0.5, so I suggest you to buy, if you are gonna buy more, I suggest you to buy right here, because buying under 0.5 seems much better, I think. So let's finally look at Dogecoin. All look similar, but Doji had a big rise, isn't it? Same yesterday, 23 p.m. got an L, L3, LB, had a big increase and started to fluctuate here. And also seems like supported by the Goya line, but we have an S signal. Yeah, but we don't have a specific S2 or something. So we gotta watch the situation going. And we have a sell and buy guidelines here. All similar. It's today's highest point. This might be a first place for you to sell and take profits. And if you are gonna wait more, this could be your second place for you to sell. And yesterday's lowest point is a buy suggest line. And if it goes down, all the way down, these places might be a good place for you to buy. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a safe trading today. So see you tomorrow.